In August 1958, when the Academy completed its move from Lowry Air Force Base in Denver to this permanent location, the cadets first accessed the cadet area by marching up this ramp. Arriving cadets have been doing so ever since. The United States Air Force Academy is an amazing place, steeped in long blue line history and brimming over with stories. I'm Steve Simon, class of '77, and I'm here to tell them. This is the Heritage Minute. Every summer, appointees assemble on the footprints, get welcomed with their first taste of Academy hospitality, and then head up the ramp to begin their cadet careers. In 1964, the words "Bring Me Men" were mounted above the ramp in 2-foot-high aluminum letters. The phrase is from a poem about westward expansion written by Samuel Walter Foss, entitled "The Coming American." First read at a 4th of July celebration in Connecticut in 1894, it contains the lines, quote, "Bring me men to match my mountains. Bring me men to match my plains. Men with empire in their purpose and new eras in their brains," unquote. The words began to seem incongruous in 1976 when female cadets enrolled for the first time, as demonstrated by the iconic photo of appointee Julie Richards at in-processing. After decades of discussion and controversy, on 28 March 2003, the phrase "Bring me men" was removed from its spot over the battle ramp. On 29 September 2004, the words "Integrity first, service before self, excellence in all we do" were unveiled above the ramp. By the way, the black gate is the result of security measures instituted in response to the 11 September 2001 terrorist attacks. Before then, the ramp was wide open. Thank you for listening to the Heritage Minute podcast. If you enjoyed this story, we encourage you to subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and post it to your social channels. I'm Steve Simon, class of '77, and this is the Heritage Minute.